Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make entries in the nominal ledgers from a cash book. So let's get started. Okay, look at here, the cash book is already given. So I'll show you now how to enter these entries in these nominal ledgers. In my previous videos, I showed how to prepare a single column cash book. If you did not watch that, I'll link to this video here. You can watch it. Okay. So see, for example, this is the cash book of Mr. John. Okay. So now you have to enter this all entries to the Mr. John's nominal ledger. Okay. So here we will write Mr. John. These are the books of Mr. John. So we are gonna make entries from this cash book to this nominal ledgers. Okay. So in this cash book there are 7 transitions. We will transfer these entries to the nominal ledgers. Already you know how to prepare ledger. Okay. So I have several videos on ledgers. You can watch them. Okay. So look, here we have purchase account. Okay, we have wages account, we have machine rent. Okay, then on the debit side we have sales, bank, and finally sum in. So here we have 4 accounts and here we have 3. That means total 4 plus 3 equal to 7 nominal ledgers we need to prepare. Okay, already you know the format of ledger account. This is actually T account ledger format. See here, this is the central vertical line. Okay, and this is horizontal line. So this side we have 4 columns and this side we have same 4 columns. Okay, so to record here date, detail, folio, and dollar. Same here, date, detail, folio, and dollar. Okay, so first of all we can do here purchase. So let us write here purchase account. Okay, then we have wages. So let us write wages. Then we can write here machine. Okay, machine account. We can write here rent account. Then we have here in the debit side sales, bank, and sum in. Okay, so let us write here sales account, and what is next? The bank. Okay, so I wrote here purchase account. You can also write here wages account. Okay, machine account, no matter account, sales account. Okay, bank account. So in the question, in the requirement, after entering the transitions in the cash book, sometimes you are required to enter transitions to the nominal ledgers. Okay, so a question like make necessary entries in the nominal ledger. Okay, so this is the way you may get question. If you have this requirement, then you need to prepare these ledgers. Okay, here we have purchase in the credit side. Okay, so we have here purchase and it is a ledger format. You know, this side is the left hand side is called debit side and the right hand side called credit side. Okay, so students often forget to write debit credit here. You should write here debit credit. If you don't write, it's a mistake. Okay, So here purchase is credit in the cash book. So in the nominal ledgers, we will write in the debit side. I repeat, purchase is here in the credit side of cash book, but in the nominal ledger, we will enter in the debit side. Okay, just copy the date from cash book 2020. What is written? March 10. Okay, so what to write here? So you are writing in the purchase account from the cash book. Okay, so what is the transaction here? What is the double entry? You double entry what's purchase to be debited. Yeah, purchase was debit and cash was credit. Yeah, so this was your double entry, means journal. Okay, so here purchase is debit. Okay, so that's why you're writing in the debit side. Okay, so what to write inside the detail column? Okay, detail column you have to write the opposite account. Okay, you are doing purchase, so what is your opposite account? Your opposite account is cash. Okay, so right here cash, and value is already given here in that credit in the dollar column in the cash book. So you just take and put in the dollar column in the nominal ledger. Okay, which is purchase account. All the entries here will be entered from the cash book. So here you need to write only the word cash. Okay, so wages, same thing. Wages is here credit, but in the nominal ledger it will be debited. 2020 March, what is the date? 15. Again you write here cash. So how much your value? It is $1,000. Okay, so same here, machine is credit in the cash book, but in the nominal ledger you have to write in the debit side. So write date 2020 March 17. So write here cash. How much the value? It is $7,000. Okay, it's very easy. Yeah, again rent is here. Rent is in the cash book on the credit side. That means you have to write in the debit side of nominal ledger. 2020 March what? 20. So right here cash. What is your amount here? It is $3,000 taken right here. Excuse me. So this is how you need to enter all of your credit items, credit transactions of your cash book in the debit side of respective nominal ledgers. Okay, so now you think you wrote all the credit transactions on the debit side of ledgers, nominal ledgers. What about the debit items in the cash book? So debit transactions will go in the credit side of your nominal ledgers. Okay, just opposite relation between cash book and nominal ledgers. Okay, so let me show you one ledger, that is sales. Here sales is debit, $6,000. Debit side we wrote here, but here we in the sales account we will not write in the debit side, we will write in the credit side. Date is given here 2020 March 5. So what to write here? The same word, the cash. Okay, how much your amount? It is $6,000. So right here $6,000. So it is very easy. When it is credit items, you wrote in the debit side of nominal ledgers, but when you have item in the debit side of your cash book, you write in the credit side of your nominal ledgers. Okay, now my question, look at here, bank 1,500 on March 17. Where to write? Debit side or credit side? Yes, if you say it is credit side, then you are correct. Okay, March 17. So what to write? Same word, the cash. Okay, $1,500. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare nominal ledgers from the cash book. So one ledger I didn't do. This is sum in. Okay, sum in. You do this sum in account by yourself. These ledgers are basically very easy, but when students get question like transfer this these entries to the nominal ledgers, they often get confused what to do, how to do it. Okay, so try to understand, try to practice by yourself, do several questions at home by yourself, then see you will be able to prepare any question, any nominal ledgers. Okay, so this is all about our today's lesson, and next time I'll show you how to prepare 3-column, 2-column cash book. Okay, I hope you understood, you learned how to prepare nominal ledgers from the cash book. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for more new videos, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. They will be also benefited. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.